The Everglades is the largest subtropical wetland in North America. It's one of our most treasured and iconic landscapes. If everyone had a moment to come out here and experience this the way we are, they would fall in love with this place. The Everglades is all about the water. I remember the first time I set foot in this part of the Everglades, I was surprised by how clear it was. There's a wild heart here that is so absolutely amazing, and that's as wild as anything that exists on this planet, and it's here in Florida. To be connected with this landscape, it's something that's changed me as a person and as a photographer.